Hi, my name is Karen Mayberry and I teach second grade in Morrison, Illinois. I am also part of the Education Pathway Committee for the Regional Office of Education, and we're doing a lot of work to build this pathway as an example or a model for our local school districts. That's one of the reasons that I, of course, volunteered to host an Education Pathway student. I think it's really important that with this pathway, students are given a chance to explore this career path. We have such a hard time in our small rural district finding teachers because of the teacher shortage in Illinois. It's especially hard to retain teachers from year to year. We're often re-interviewing for the same position that we had for the year before just because teachers come and teach and then they leave after 1 year. We also have a hard time finding teachers that are qualified for specialized positions such as special ed. We're currently having a difficult time finding a qualified counselor to take our counselor positions that are open. It's been a lot of fun giving the students a chance to interact and observe. The students that have been part of my classroom seem to enjoy their experience. I have only had 3 or 4 students so far. At least 2 of them have gone on to pursue an education career. My second grade students have also benefited from the experience. They look forward to the extra attention. They love to work one-on-one with the high school students. They really look forward to the times when they're there. They look up to them as a role model. And when the students finish their time, I miss them because they really do help for the small amount of time that they're there. I have seen firsthand how important it is to give high school students a chance to try out a possible career choice, such as teaching. For example, one student I mentored recently was deciding between being an EMT and a teacher. What a difference. Without this pathway class, she may not even have considered teaching as a possibility. I think she surprised herself and enjoyed it more than she expected. And whether she continues with education or not, I saw her confidence grow and her communication skills grow just from that short time she was with me, and that will benefit her no matter what career path she goes into. Thank you.